Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to create a new Outlook profile on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to create a new Outlook profile on Windows 10 and Windows 11, start by doing a search for the control panel and then open the control panel app. Next, just make sure your view by setting is set to either small or large icons. And then you want to find Mail Microsoft Outlook 32-bit. Once you click on that, this Mail setup window will open. And here you'll have Outlook profiles and you can click on Show Profiles. And that's going to show all of the Outlook profiles that you currently have set up on your computer. Now by default, there will be a profile called Outlook if you have email set up. And to add a new profile, you can just click on Add. I'll just call this Outlook 2 and then click on OK. Then you'll be prompted to add an email address to this Outlook profile, and you have to do that before the Outlook profile will be created. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up one of my email addresses here. And now that it's finished, I'll just click on Finish. And now I have two Outlook profiles. And this setting down here is very important, which says when starting Microsoft Outlook, use this profile. So you can select the default profile between one of the two profiles, or you can prompt for a profile to be used, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'll select that option and then click on Apply and OK, and then open Outlook on this computer. And then I'll be prompted if I want to use Outlook or Outlook 2. If I select Outlook 2 and then click on OK, it's going to load the new profile of Microsoft Outlook. And if you only wanted to use this new profile, then you can just select it as the default in the control panel settings. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.